In this video from Device Doctor, we'll show you how to fix the waste ink overflow problem in Epson L3250 and similar Epson printers using a simple and cost-effective method at home.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
First, let us remove the box cover so we can access the waste ink box. As you can see, the box has ink spilled from all sides, making a mess around it. This happens because the pads inside the box are saturated and can no longer absorb any more waste ink, causing it to overflow outside the printer. Now look at the pads, they are completely soaked with ink and can no longer absorb anymore. These pads need to be removed and discarded. Now wash the box with water to clean out all the waste ink. Now find a soft cotton cloth that can absorb ink. Fold it neatly and place it inside the printer's box. In this video, we showed you a common issue with Epson L3250 and similar inkjet printers. Waste ink overflowing because the pads in the ink box were fully saturated and unable to absorb more ink. This caused ink to spill inside and outside the printer. We solved it by cleaning the box and using layered cotton cloth as a replacement for the pads, preventing future overflow and keeping your printer clean. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Device Doctor for more practical printer maintenance tips.